Our food supply is at risk. Every day, billions of pounds of food are being processed and distributed to keep up with global demand. As demand increases, so does the risk of contamination. The FDA Food Safety Modernization Act is the most sweeping reform of our food safety laws in more than 70 years. The new law was signed by President Obama on January 4, 2011, and aims to ensure the U.S. food supply is safe by shifting the focus from responding to contamination to preventing it entirely. This legislation requires food suppliers to implement a plan and proactive systems to prevent contamination and recontamination. PURADIGM was established to meet the global demand for proactive solutions to purification and food safety challenges.
I'm Dr. James Marsden. I'm a professor here at Kansas State University. I've had a 40-plus year career working in the area of food safety. The PURADIGM technology is an advanced oxidation technology. It involves ultraviolet energy and oxidative gases that are formed when ultraviolet energy reacts with oxygen and water vapor. We've done a considerable amount of work on this technology over the past years. We've looked at a number of bacteria, viruses, and molds, and in every case we've been able to show great effectiveness with this technology. We've looked at some of the most difficult, challenging microorganisms, including methicillin-resistant staph, and we're able to show that we got excellent reductions with the PURADIGM technology. The most recent research that was conducted here on the PURADIGM technology involved methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus. This is a microbiological pathogen that's responsible for nosocomial infections in hospitals and healthcare environments, and also has recently been associated with some food products as well. We were able to show that the PURADIGM technology was quite effective at inactivating this MRSA culture on stainless steel coupons and other surfaces that are typical in healthcare environments. We've been looking at advanced oxidation technologies as a food safety intervention for the past several years. We've done quite a lot of work on inactivating microbiological pathogens, including E. coli 015787 on the surface of beef trimmings. We've looked at Listeria monocytogenes on ready-to-eat meat products like processed ham and hot dogs, and cheese also. We've also just recently completed a study where we looked at fresh-cut produce, spinach in particular, that was inoculated with E. coli 015787, and we're able to show almost a 99% reduction in that E. coli bacteria on the surface of fresh-cut spinach. When it's operating in an environment, is operating all the time. If it's in a room environment, it's operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So the environment is pre-selected really to inactivate microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, mold spores, and it does so on a continuous basis. It doesn't have to be charged or turned on and off. It's left on all the time, and it does it on a continuous basis. For food applications, it's usually done in a chamber of some kind, and the chamber is charged with these oxidative gases. The food is passed through that chamber and it's inactivated, usually in a matter of seconds. So it's a little bit different application when food is involved, and it would turn off at the end of the operating day. But in a room environment or in a food plant or hospital, the technology operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Several companies are using the PURADIGM technology for decontaminating the plant environment. They're reporting great success in controlling microbial pathogens like Listeria monocytogenes that are often present in food processing plants. Several companies are also using the technology for the decontamination of food products, in particular beef trimmings and beef subprimals that are destined to be cut into steaks or made into ground beef. One company in particular is having great success. They're reporting between a 99.9 and a 99.99% reduction in bacteria by exposing beef trimmings to this technology for about 2 minutes.